What's going on, guys? It is Seth here with the Cruisin Classics YouTube channel, showcasing a little bit of a different vehicle today. This is a 2006 Isuzu ramp truck we've got for sale. Pretty cool little truck. If you guys are a collector, maybe you need something to haul some cars around, this is definitely a neat piece, and it makes it super easy to load up cars and transport them around. This truck does have just over 200,000 miles on it. But if you guys know these chassis, they run pretty much forever and are bulletproof. It is vinyl wrapped black with some flames there on the side and on the cab. Looks like it has new Bridgestone tires all the way around. But again, you guys can see the bed here. It does have a nose coat on it. Nice little light up top. Maybe you're on the roadside and need something to let people know you're there. Apologize for the background noise. Does have tinted windows and a tinted front windshield. The inside of the cab has been reupholstered with the diamond black seats, it looks like. Looks like an alligator skin shifter there. Does have black carpet. We'll go ahead and step inside, fire this thing up so you guys can hear how she sounds. Odometer shows 200,711 miles. She fires right up. Does have power windows and power locks. See, they do go up and down. It has been debadged up front to make it look like a Chevrolet. Custom grill up front as well. Pretty cool. Nice big tow mirrors on there so you can see. Got your winch cable there on the floor. Again, just a really neat interior. And if you guys are looking for something to haul your classic cars, or any cars for that matter, give us a call. 614-276-7355. We'll go ahead and step around to the other side. There is a little kill switch here that turns on the battery that's inside. And it turns on your light on top, operates your winch and things of that nature. Plenty of D-rings, lights in the floor, and it does have the ramps in the center here, which are aluminum, so they're real easy to pick up, move around. And it also looks like it has a receiver hitch on the back. You've got your tail lights and license plate things there. See your lights working up top. Again, guys, if you want this ramp truck, give us a call. 614-276-7355. If you have any questions about it, give us a call.